Okay, this is number 1A on the review for exam 2, and we're asked to take the derivative and simplify as much as possible. Oops, don't have the. There you get. So we got y prime. We're going to use the quotient rule here. So we have the bottom function, which is x squared minus 2x to the 1/2 times the derivative of the top, which is the secant square root of x minus the top function, which is the tangent of x, times the derivative of the bottom, which is 1/2 times x squared minus 2x to the negative 1/2 times the derivative of the inside of that, which is I was off the little pad here, 2x minus 2. Sorry about that. And I'm going to use a line here, and I'm going to use my mouse. Get a little fraction bar. It's a little straighter and more straight. And then all over the bottom squared, and the bottom is a square root of x squared minus 2x squared will just be x squared minus 2x. And honestly, there's not a whole lot of simplification. When I put this problem on there, I really should have paid more attention to it being a little bit easier to simplify. But anyway, you can you have a common factor in the numerator of x squared minus 2x to the 1/2 here, negative 1/2 here. So pull out the smaller of the two exponents, and that would be x squared minus 2x to the negative 1/2. And then that would leave x squared minus 2x times the secant squared of x minus the tangent of x. And then this factor is gone. This 1/2 will multiply through this 2x minus 2 to leave x minus 1. And then again, we'll have this fraction bar, and that will be all over. Let's select the x squared minus 2x, and then I have a x squared minus 2x to the negative 1/2 in the numerator, and an x squared minus 2x to the 1 in the denominator. So I can rewrite that as x squared minus 2x in the numerator times the secant squared of x minus the tangent of x times x minus 1. Oops, didn't go quite far enough on this little pet. Over, when I move this to the denominator, I have like bases, so I add the exponents, and I have x squared minus 2x to the 3/2. And I could do a little bit with this secant and this tangent, but I think I'm just going to leave it as is. That's about as simplified as it's going to get, so it's over.